This is program number 2 in CS102, Computer Science at UIC, Fall 2010. It's a tic-tac-toe-like game. We have to get 3 in a row. User entry is done by choosing numbers that are in a magic square. And this game is in 3 stages, and the first stage is shown elsewhere. This shows stage 2, where you generate the values in the magic square, and also stage 3, where there's a graphical user interface. So here for stage 2, when the program starts up, we can see the prompt that's shown on the screen, and now we can type in the values. So if we were to type in 15, it calculates the values for the magic square. If we were to run this a different time and type in a different value, let's say if we were to type in 30, then it would show a magic square that where every row, column, and diagonal adds up to 30, or it might even be, if we were to choose something that's not valid, say 19. There is no magic square of size 3 with some 19 exiting program, so that's what happens there. So let's say that we run this for a large number, like 72. You have to write this the correct way, otherwise your program will take a long time to find the value. So we can see here that there's just a few seconds and it finds it. Yours might take a little longer than that, but certainly it shouldn't be longer than 10 or 15 seconds, or we'll assume that you did something wrong. Wouldn't have the patience for that in a game of this sort. So let's just do the simple version where we have a magic square of size 15. And so that's the second stage. The third stage is when we run this program and we have the magic square, it also gives us a graphical representation that we can see here. So then the user input is used, and you can click on these squares instead of typing in the number. And in fact, that's all this is used for, so all of the results aren't necessarily shown up here on the graphical representation. But here player 1 will choose a 4, and we can see over here on the left that shows the results of that. Then player 2 chooses a 9, player 3 chooses a 3, and similar to stage 1, it's then going to rotate the board. So here we see that, in fact, it rotates the board and shows the new board down here, and that's also reflected up here in the graphical representation. And then we could keep going. We have, what was it, player 1, player 2, player 1, and this could be player 2 again, and then player 1's turn could be, say, down here. This should win the game if I gauged correctly. Yes, in fact. And then it shows the results of where each player moved on the board. You don't have to necessarily reflect that up here in the magic square portion. And that's it. Press X to exit the game, to exit the game, and then we're done, and it disappears. Enjoy.